Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI. I want to tell you all about my beautiful new sweater. So look at the color of this. It is so beautiful. I love the stitching. It's durable, it's well made, and with a life like mine with pets and kids and babies running around, you're gonna need a durable sweater, right? So I love the detail on the top there. It's beautiful and it gives the sweater a little personality. Everything is very stretchy and it lays very nicely. I love that I can pair this with a skirt and tuck it in and then throw a sweater over it, and I'm nice and warm and ready to go. I also love that I could pair it with a pair of jeans or just a pair of leggings, and it lays very nicely. I specifically like it for leggings because it's long enough that it covers all of my problem areas, and it's still pretty enough that I could wear it to date night. This beautiful sweater comes in many different colors and sizes. I wear an extra large, and honestly, I think I could have gotten away with a large in this. And I also love all of the beautiful colors that it comes in. I think I want one in every color that is offered. So this sweater is just perfect for everyday wear. You can dress it up, you can dress it down, you can wear it casually just around the house, or you can wear it to date night. So if you are looking for a beautiful and versatile sweater to add to your closet, then look no further. And that's my point of view.